Now, how are you getting on with your garden? If you've got a garden and you've been out there trying to get things done and to move things around and reshape it, but you really don't know what you're doing, there is a scheme in Essex which is helping people to do that. People are getting together, started with just a few families. Now lots of people are getting involved. Here's Kevin Birch.
Simple kit, simple instructions, simple concept. Emily lives near Malden. She's a midwife with 2 children, Harry and Theo, and they're already cracking on, cultivating their little corner.
I just thought that it would be nice to have something to do because we don't get to go out very often because I work so many shifts and things. So it's nice to spend time together with the family and sort of enjoy time outside, really.
It's run by the charity Abberton Rural Training, already involved several areas, including Chelmsford, Tendring and Braintree. And now the project's being launched in Colchester too. The free starter kits, which were on offer there, including compost, seeds and all the other basics needed to get going, were snapped up in no time.
All 150 went in one day of us opening up. People have registered, so we've got the names on there. And hopefully we'll get some more packs out to those people. It is fantastic. I wish all our ideas at council were this good to implement.
The scheme's aimed at people who might be seen as vulnerable, isolated, or who are key workers, learning new skills, finding a focus, being part of something. And the evidence is clear to see on the group's Facebook page, involving what's now a mini green-fingered army of growers.
It's got so many benefits, obviously the healthy eating, seeing where food comes from, but also the help with mental issues as well, particularly in isolation. The initial evaluation of the pilot showed that 48% of people didn't then go to their GP for medication because of the project.
I think they just enjoy being outside. They're quite active children, so they enjoy sort of playing with things and sort of seeing it grow.
They only had 50 people at the start, but now there's more than 1,000. A brilliant concept, growing every day. Kevin Birch, BBC Look East in Essex.
Really is a brilliant concept, isn't it? There's nothing better. If you've got a bit of land, just get out there and start. I know, Susie, that you've been frustrated over the last few weeks because there's nothing you like more than to get out in the garden with a fork and turn over the odd sod.
I am the least green-fingered person, as you know. I did try to help out once in the garden and realised I dug up all the things that my husband had planted, thinking they were weeds, so I don't do it now.